Hey guys, my name is Christy and this is My Crafty Country.
Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppin', Easter's on its way, bringing every girl and boy baskets full of Easter joy, things to make your Easter bright and gay. He's got jelly beans for Tommy, colored eggs for Sister Sue. There's an orchid for your mommy, and an Easter bonnet too. Oh, here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppity, happy Easter day. Here comes Peter Cottontail, hopping down the bunny trail. Hippity-hoppin', Easter's on its way,